science is not boring, no matter what you think. It's fascinating. It's, and I get comments every year from students, and it's kind of just known. They're like, oh, so Dr. Martin talks with her hands a lot, and she's all over the place, and she gets super pumped and super excited about it, and that's just what it is, because it's so exciting. And so when I'm thinking about how I'm going to teach, I like to interact with my students a lot. Even if it's in the lecture setting, I still want that give and take. It should be enjoyable to be in class. I love this subject, biology, microbiology. All of these things are so great. In grad school, I was like, I will never teach. This is not a thing for me. And then, I started with the adjunct teaching, and then once I got involved with that, I was like, wow, this is really great, being able to share my love of science with these students who also then equally get excited about it and everything. And so just fantastic. Our department is really spectacular. And so we all get along very well. There's a lot of collaboration on the faculty side of things. It's never just, even if you're the only instructor teaching that class, it's not just you, it's you and all the department as well. There's a lot of support. We've all worked on curriculum together so that we're making sure that the students are getting that out. The expertise that we have on faculty, but also the instrumentation and equipment we have. A lot of students that go to larger universities, they don't touch those types of equipment, and we are training our students on cutting-edge technology. By the first week, I know every student's name, which in a larger class, that's not gonna happen. That's one of the things I love about lab, because it's not me up there telling them stuff to do. It's me going around okay, how are you following the protocol? Or, oh, let's look to see what that, bacteria looks like growing on that plate. And I'm able to have those conversations, and they'll be like, oh, Dr. Martin, look at my dog, I just got a new dog, and we're flipping through pictures on phones and stuff like that. I don't see that happening in an environment where the student doesn't feel like I know them and that they know me. We know our students. We know what sports they play, we know what they do when they are hanging out with their friends, we know the towns they're from, and our offices are always filled with these students. And so it's really, it's not necessarily going to work. It's kind of I'm gonna go visit my other family today. And so, that's kind of how I think. And a lot of students feel like that at Columbia College because it is smaller. And so we have that opportunity to really develop those relationships. You're not gonna be going through this experience alone. And even when you leave here, you're not gonna be alone. You're gonna have this network that is gonna support you and that you can fall back on. Everybody is rooting for the students. And so I think that they really feel that here. And I think that that's something that sets Columbia College apart.